Hello XRP Ripple coin holders, how are you? Hope you have a good day, hope you have fun my friends. At this time, once again AB Stake channel give you the latest update of the XRP Ripple coin. My friends, as I told you in my previous videos that now yesterday the market is completely going in the falls. Completely everyone lost money to yesterday my friends. But now today update is going positive my friends. Today price start pumping and I hope that they will continue this kind of pump for a long time my friends. Anyways, if you are new in my channel, please click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos my friends. Hope you all subscribed my channel. My friends, at this time the price of the XRP in the market is 0.86571 USD dollar. And the price changes occur in the XRP. So the last 1 hour price changes is positive, last 1 day price changes is negative, and last 1 weekend price change is negative. So my friends, as I told you that the previous changes is negative, but now the currently situation is going better my friends. So now at this time live in the last hour the XRP Ripple start pumping my friends. So it's time to enjoy, it's time to celebration my friends. And today I'm feeling positive about XRP Ripple coin. I'm feeling good about the XRP Ripple coin. Tell me in the comment box my friends, how do you feel today about the XRP Ripple coin my friends. At this time my friends, if we look the price chart of the XRP Ripple coin, so the last 3 days price chart tell us that yesterday price, only the whole price falls down yesterday my friends. Yesterday is the bad day of cryptocurrencies market. Not only XRP, Cardano, Dogecoin, Shiba, VeChain, a lot of cryptocurrencies falls down yesterday. But now at this time, the last hour, every cryptocurrency start pumping. And now if they start pump after a falls, so it's clear that they will continue this time for 2 days, for 1 week maybe. We can't say about the future, but they will continue this time for 2 days. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about XRP? Please tell me in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe AB Stake channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.